Hi student, this video is about parabola. I will show you how to find vertex, focal length P, focus, directrix and lattice rectum, and then how to sketch the graph based on this information. Okay, for the first example, we have a standard form of parabola y minus 2 square equal to 4 times x plus 1. Okay, for this equation, we know that this is a horizontal parabola. And then to know that the shape is open to the right or open to the left, actually based on this sign. Okay, we have positive sign, mean this parabola open to the right. Okay, the shape of parabola when it's open to the right is like this. So from this shape we have a vertex V here, and then focus actually is a point on the right of a vertex, and then the distance from vertex to focus represented by P, we call as focal length. And then we have directrix. Directrix is a line on the left of a vertex. The distance from vertex to directrix is equal to P. So this one is directrix. So now we have vertex. Okay, vertex is a point V equal to HK. This is a vertex. So we have vertex, focus, focal length P, directrix, and then what is lattice rectum? Lattice rectum actually is a straight line that pass through focus, and endpoint actually lie on parabola. So this is a lattice rectum represented by modulus 4p. Okay. Okay, now based on this equation, so we know that the first one we can find vertex. Roman, so vertex equal to HK. H refer to value of x and K refer to value of y. So equal to -1, 2. This is vertex. And then to find focus, we need to know focal length P. How to find P? Okay, focal length actually based on value based on 4p. We need to equal 4p equal to, okay, this value. We have 4. If we have -4, we need to know that P actually refer to distance. So P is always positive, distance is positive. So if we have -4, we actually just need to write +4. But here we have +4, just write 4. So P equal to 1. So you need to remember that P must be positive because P is distance or length. So here we know that vertex equal to negative, this one vertex, -1, 2. So focus here, since P equal to 1, so if you move 1 unit to the right, equal to 0, 2. And then directrix is value of x. If you move 1 unit to the left, actually equal to -2. So x equal to -2. So number 3 Roman, we have focus equal to 0, 2, and then directrix equal to directrix x equal to directrix x equal to -2. And then number 5, lattice rectum. So our lattice rectum actually based on formula modulus 4p. So we have p equal to 1, modulus 4 equal to 4. So we know that the length or this straight line actually equal to 4 unit. So now how to sketch this graph actually based on this one. So we can sketch. We have x and y axis, x axis and y axis. So we have vertex at -1, 2. Here is -1, 1 and 2. So -1, 2 is vertex. And then we have focus 0, 2. Here is 0. Here is focus 0, 2. And then we have directrix x equal to -2. Here is -2. So x equal to -2. Go to directrix. And then lattice rectum equal to 4. So you need to know that the straight line when pass through focus is 4 unit. So we can this is the graph. So if we see this straight line is lattice rectum, so the endpoint lie on 0 and another one is at 4. Okay, example 2. If we have equation x square minus 4y minus 2x equal to -5. So how to write this equation in standard form? Actually we need to use completing the square. So based on this equation, we know that we have square on x. So we can separate the term, the variable x on left hand side and another term on right hand side. So x square minus 2x equal to -5 plus 4y, and then x square minus 2x, we perform CTS, completing the square on left hand side, and then plus -2/2 square minus -2/2 square equal to -5 plus 4y. And then we simplify the first 3 term equal to x, and then in this bracket, if you simplify, -2/2 equal to -1. So put here -1 and then square. Okay, next we have minus. So minus, and then in this bracket we have negative 2 over 2 equal to negative 1, and then square equal to 1, and then equal to right hand side negative 5 plus 4y. Okay, next have x minus 1 square equal to, you simplify this one, negative 5 plus 1 equal to negative 4 plus 4y, or rearrange x minus 1 square equal to 4y minus 4, and then we factor up to 4 times y minus 1. So from this equation or standard form, we know that this one is vertical parabola. Okay, vertical parabola, and this value is positive, mean opens upward. So the shape of this parabola is like this. So the first one, we can find vertex. 1 Roman vertex equal to HK, or equal to H equal to 1 and K equal to 1. So here vertex equal to 1, 1. And then we have focus above vertex. Okay, for focus, you need to find the value of P first. So number 2, we can find focal length. Focal length P equal to, okay, just need to equal 4P with this value we have P 4. So P equal to 1. Since we have P equal to 1, when we move upward, means we need to move the value of y. So we have 1, 2. Number 3, we know that focus go to 0.12, and then directrix. The distance from vertex to directrix is P, is also P. So here directrix, so this is value of y equal to 0. So we have y at vertex is equal to 1. If we minus 1 unit equal to 0. So directrix y equal to 0. Number 5, we can find lattice rectum. Equal to modulus 4P equal to modulus 4 times 1 equal to 4. So where is 4? So the line that pass through focus that lie on this parabola endpoint equal to 4. So now we can sketch the graph. So our graph will look like, So vertex 1 1, this 1 and 1, here is vertex. Okay, vertex 1 1, and then we have focus here 1 2. And then directrix y equal to 0. This is x-axis and y-axis, you need to label. So we have y equal to 0 is directrix. And actually our latest rectum, if we have latest rectum, actually here equal to 3, and this one equal to -1. So from -1 to 3 actually equal to 4 units. This is 4 unit. That is latest rectum. Okay, next example. If we have x square plus 10x plus y equal to -25. So we want to write in standard form. So we have needs to perform completing the square on variable x. So we have x square plus 10x equal to -25 minus y. X square plus 10x plus 10 over 2 square minus 10 over 2 square equal to -25 minus y. And if we simplify these three terms, equal to x, and then you simplify the first bracket, 10 over 2 equal to 5, positive 5. So plus 5 square, and then we have negative sign, negative, and then 10 over 2 equal to 5, and square equal to 25 equal to -25 minus y. Or simplify this equal to x plus 5 square equal to -y. So from this equation, we know that this is vertical parabola, and then based on this sign is negative, we know that this parabola actually open downward. So from this equation, we can list down. The first one is vertex equal to hk, h equal to -5, and then k equal to 0. Number 2, okay, how this parabola looks like. Open downward mean like this. And then we have vertex -5 0. This is focus. Okay, now we need to find focal length first. This is focal length, so here is directrix. Directrix y equal to, okay, how to find focus? We must find the value of p first. P is focal length. Okay, how to find focal length? Just set 4p equal to Okay, this value. So this value here is -1, but you need to know that focal length actually is a distance and must be for positive. We have value 1, a -1, so just put 1 here. So P equal to 1/4. So since P here is equal to 1/4, so focus is -5, and then you move down the value of Y 1/4 units, so equal to -1/4. And then directrix mean you move upwards 1/4 units, so equal to from 0 Y equal to 1/4. So here focus equal to -5, -1/4, and then we have directrix Y equal to 1/4. Number 5 is lattice rectum. Equal to modulus 4P equal to 4 times 1/4 equal to 1. So how to sketch the graph? If we have X and Y axis, X axis and Y axis. So we know that vertex is -5, 0. Here is -5, -5, 0 here. Vertex -5, 0. And then we have directrix Y equal to 1/4. Here is 1/4. So Y equal to 1/4 directrix. Okay, next focus. Focus here. Focus -5, 1/4. And then you can sketch. Okay, this is how the parabola looks like. Okay, thank you.